Planning your search using a concept map. Planning a database search is a little like planning a shopping list to buy your groceries. A list ensures that you get the things that you need, and when searching a database, spending some time planning words and phrases for your search will help you retrieve as many relevant articles as possible. Concept maps help you make sense of your topic, to organize and connect key topic concepts with related words and phrases. Concept maps can also be called mind maps. You can make one with pen and paper, or use a free online tool like Bubble.us or Miro. To plan a database search, begin by looking at your assessment topic. This will include some key topic concepts, or the topics that your lecturer wants you to write about. This example topic asks about the influence of social media on binge drinking in adolescence. In this example, we have 3 topic concepts, and to answer this question, we would need to find resources that talk about all 3 of these. We could just search using these 3 concepts as search terms and find relevant articles, but if we only use these original 3 words or phrases, we could miss out on some useful results. This is because not all authors may use the same words or phrases to describe a topic. Take a look at these 2 academic articles. They are both about social media, binge drinking, and adolescence, but the authors have used different words to describe each of these things. For social media, the authors have used more specific terms, Facebook, TikTok. For binge drinking, they have used alternative terms, problem drinking, excessive drinking, drunkenness, and youth and young people are used instead of the word adolescence. We can see there are different words people can use when writing about the same topic. Therefore, to get more information on a topic, we should search using synonyms and related terms. We can start a concept map to organize our thinking. Here we have started with our 3 original terms, and have added related concepts and terms for these to our map. Later, this will help us take control of our database search by focusing it or broadening it. You may be able to think of other words or phrases people might use. For good planning, we should try to come up with as many synonyms or related terms for our original concept as possible. If you are having trouble thinking of any alternative terms, try using a thesaurus. Another place to get ideas on words used to describe your topic are recommended readings. Access these in Canvas by clicking on Course Resources. Engaging with required and recommended reading can help discover the words used for your topic in your discipline. Likewise, an initial search using our original 3 topic terms could give us ideas for other words that are used to describe each of our 3 topics. Here we have entered our terms into Google Scholar. This is a good starting point to find scholarly articles or similar. As we think of more potential search terms, we can add them to our concept map. Look at our terms in this example. Notice that some are very specific. For example, Facebook is a specific type of social media. Some terms are quite broad. For example, alcohol is a broader term than binge drinking. Next, we can turn our concept map into a search plan. The specific terms are useful for a very focused search. For example, the term Facebook will find information specifically about Facebook. But if we can't find many articles with the specific terms, we can use broader terms to search. Kia pai te rā.